Now we're looking at our mole to mole conversions. Here's an example problem down here. It says if you have 4 moles of oxygen, how many moles of water can be produced? When we're looking at this, anytime we're dealing with we have the words mole and we're converting to moles, the only thing that we're going to use is we're going to use our mole ratio. Okay, so we're dealing with our oxygen and we're figuring how much water. So our mole ratio is going to be 1 mole of our oxygen to every 2 moles of our water. Now remember, we start every single problem with the number it gives us. So I'm going to start with my 4 moles of oxygen, okay, and I set up my boxes. Now guys, realize that the boxes are just a way to set everything up so we know what to multiply and what to divide. Now our mole ratio would be that we have 1 mole of O2 to every 2 moles of our water, which is H2O. Now all we're doing over here with what we're starting with is we're setting up, and whatever unit is going to be right here, moles of O2, that's got to go in the opposite box. Okay, so I look at my conversion factor, and the only thing that says moles of O2 that has the same unit is that guy right there. So I'd put my 1 mole of O2 on the bottom, and I see that their units match up, so they cancel out. And then this part right here would go on the top. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, then all I do is I multiply. 4 times 2 gives me 8. Okay, and the unit that I'm left with, I have 8 moles of water, which is H2O.